Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the Galleries tab. Now Galleries tab is basically just exactly what it says. It's a gallery of images pretty much. So when you click on the Galleries tab, we go and we click on Upload Images. What that'll do is it'll bring up this window and you've got the option to choose a file, which is in the middle here, or you've got add more. So we're going to add more after we choose a file because we've got a couple that we need to upload. So if we click on choose file, and we select our blue Hulk hands, we open, click on the plus icon here, and it adds another one down there. So we can choose file for that one too. So we choose that one, we click our red Hulk hands, and now we're just going to go upload images. What that'll do is it'll upload them as pictures. You can label them, so we can go blue, and we can go image name is red. We can delete them or view them or do whatever we need to do. We're going to save up in the top right hand corner again. And now we're going to preview our product. And what that'll do is it'll bring it up. And as you can see down the bottom here, you can see I've now got a gallery view of my images. So if I click through, I've got the blue, the red, the green, and yeah. You can pick them and have a look at what they're going to look like. I really like the blue Hulk hands. They're quite cool. And that's pretty much it for the gallery tab. It's a very short video, but it's just explaining each tab as they go along. We'll see you in the next video.